Hello friends, myself Professor D.B. Madinari, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Hirasugar Institute of Technology in Itsushi. In this video, I'm going to explain and discuss about one experiment of analog circuits lab, that is the design of R to R digital to analog converter for 4-bit digital input signal using toggle switches and mod 16 counter. Okay, in this our aim is to give a 4-bit of digital input signal, and after that with the help of this R to R ladder circuit by using toggle switches, so one by one we are getting the output signal is in the form of analog, and in this case we are using the inverting type of amplifier circuit, and in the same way, so by using the mod 16 counter, that means IC 74193, we are again converting a digital form of input signal to analog output signal. So first we'll discuss about the digital to analog converter of R to R by using the toggle switch. Okay, so consider this is the first part of the circuit. So this part of circuit we are considering as a inverting amplifier because pin number 3 is grounded, and the negative of this 741 op-amp is connected to the next part of the circuit. Okay, and in between input and output side we are using the feedback resistor, and then come to the second part of the circuit. So this is a second part of the circuit, and this part of the circuit is called as a toggle switch circuit. So now our aim is to convert digital input signal to analog output signal at the output of the 741 op-amp by using or by toggling these switches with the help of reference voltage. Okay, so for the reference voltage, consider DC voltage like 5 volt, and one more very important thing is when you apply the V reference is equal to 5 volt, then only these all switches are in active condition or closed condition. And in this case, so we are considering the digital input signal is in the form of 4-bit B0, B1, B2 and B3, and we are considering B0 is the least significant bit and B3 we are considering most significant bit. Okay, so for example, I will give one digital input signal like 1 0 0 0. B0 is 1, B1 is 0, B2 is 0, B3 is 0. So when we apply this reference voltage, so at that time the which switch is in one state, so that switch is converted from open switch to closed switch. Basically all switch are open switch. The switch which is having a one state, so that switch is converts its state from open to closed switch, and when this B0 switch becomes closed condition, the remaining all are open switch. Then whatever the output of this B0 switch, it flows towards the pin number 2 of the 741 op-amp. Okay, the remaining output of B1, B2 and B3 which are zero signal, zero state. So at that time, with the help of the V0 equation for the inverting amplifier, we will get the particular output signal according to the resistor values. Similarly, if I will give another example, B0 is equal to 0, B1 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 1, B3 is equal to 0. It means only B1, B2 becomes closed switch because of 1-1 state, and only the output of these two switches are flows towards the pin number 2 of the inverting amplifier. Then by applying the V0 equation, we'll get the particular output voltage. So like this, R2R circuit is operating to convert its digital input signal to analog output signal by using this toggle switch. So here some of the design steps for toggle switch as well as the calculation. So consider what we are using IC741. Consider VCC is 12 volt, V reference is 5 volt. So VCC is equal to 12 volt for the switch on the or to activate the inverting amplifier, and this V reference voltage is used to activate the toggle switch circuit. And consider R is 1 kilo ohm, 2R is 2 kilo ohm. So but according to the resistor, standard resistor value, we are getting 2.2k, and whatever the feedback resistor is equal to 2R. And in this case we have one V0 equation, and this V0 equation is for the inverting amplifier with the R2R ladder circuit. So V0 is equal to minus into RF by R into V reference divided by 16 into bracket B0 plus 2B1 plus 4B2 plus 8B3. So this is the output equation of the inverting amplifier with R2R digital to analog converter circuit. Consider, so B3, I told that B3 is the MSB, B0 is the LSB. Now I will give a 4 bit of digital input 0001. Then after calculation, V0 is equal to, we are getting minus 0.68 volt. Okay. Another example, consider B3, B2, B1, B0 is equal to 0011. So after putting the value, RF is how much? 2.2k, R is 1k, V reference is 5 volt divided by 16. Okay, here B1, B0 are active. Only B1, B0 are active means B1, B0, B0, B1 means 1 plus 2 into 1. 1 plus 2 into 1. This is for the second example. And 0001 only V0 is active. B0 is equal to 1, the remaining all are 0, 0, 0. Like this you have to calculate and put the values, find the output. So one thing you should observe that initially I have given 0001. 0001 decimal form, how much it is? 1. As the digital input signal is increases, the output voltage also increases in the negative form. Why it is negative? Because we are applying the input voltage to the negative terminal of the amplifier, because it is an inverting amplifier. So we are getting the output in negative form. As the digital input signal increases, the output also increases, like 0.68, 2.06 and so on. The second part of this experiment is the same R2R to convert digital to analog by using mod 16 counter. That means 74193. By using 74193, So we perform the 16 input digital signals to the analog output signal. And in this case, in between whatever the inverting amplifier and the 74193 IC, we are using a CK100 PNP transistor. And these all transistors are used as a switch, on and off switch. Okay, how these transistors are act as an on and off switch? See here, this is a PNP transistor. This is emitter, base and collector. Base is the input of each transistor. If the base of any transistor is having 0, that means the transistor is off condition. If the base of any transistor is equal to 1 value, it is on switch, it is closed switch. And in 74193 we are considering again 4 digital input signal, what we discussed in the toggle switch, like what B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, so here this is B3, B2, B1 and B0. B0 is the LSB and B3 is the MSB. For example, if you give the digital input signal through the 74193 like 0001, means which digital input signal is active? Only B0, and that B0 is equal to 1 is act as a input signal for this transistor. So when we are giving the input signal is 1, means 5 volt signal, so at that time this transistor only becomes on switch, the remaining are off switch, because the remaining all digital input signals are 000. Only this transistor becomes on switch, and through this switch whatever we are applying the B0 signal, that will flows towards the negative terminal of this inverting amplifier, and will get the output in the form of analog form. Okay, so like this you can give any type of 4 bit of digital input signal, and depends on the state of the digital input signal, these transistors are act as a on and off switch. Okay, and here some design steps and some calculation for the mod 16 counter. Same IC 741 as a operational amplifier, and 74193 used for mod 16 counter, and CK100 transistor for PNP transistor. So consider VCC is 12 volt, V reference is 5 volt, and consider R1, R2, R3, R4 470 ohm, and the remaining R5, R6, R7 is taken as a common R, it is 1 kilo ohm, and whatever the R8 is equal to 2R, that is 2 kilo ohm, but it is 2 kilo ohm is not a standard value, so we consider 2.2 kilo ohm. Then R9 is the feedback resistor, that is 2 kilo ohm. The remaining R10 to R13 are 2.2 kilo ohm resistor values. The same equation you have to use what we used in the toggle switch. Okay, here also you get the same output voltage. As the binary, as the digital input signal is increases, the output, analog output also increases. So this is the observation table. This is the observation table. In the first column we are considering the binary input signal, digital input signal. B3 is MSB, B0 is LSB, and for the 4 combination, that means the 4 variables, for the 4 variables we are getting total 16 combinations, that is from 000 to 1111, that means 0 to 15 combinations. for the 4 digital input variables. Then in output voltage, so already discussed the V0 theoretical equation. By using the V0 theoretical equation, we are getting all these values, output values. So as the binary input signal is increases, the output also increases. So this is theoretical output voltage. So now these two columns are related to practical values. V0 with the toggle switch and V0 with the mod 16 counter. So here also same thing, as the output theoretical is increases with respect to that, the practical output of switch as well as mod 16 counter, both practical output voltages are increasing. And whatever the practical output voltages are measured with the help of multimeter. So this is the output point. So connect the multimeter terminals to this output of this op-amp, and directly we'll get the practical output voltage of toggle switch as well as mod 16 counter in the multimeter. So this is one graph. So this graph indicates that as your input digital code increases, initially for 0 0 0, the output is also 0. As the input digital signal increases from 0 to 15, the output voltage also increases. Finally, the conclusion is the conclusion of this experiment. So it is a better signal conversion from digital to analog is very efficiently compared to the other type of the digital to analog converter, because when we compare the theoretical values with practical, both are nearly equal. So that we can say that this R to R DAC converter is very better signal conversion compared to the other converter. So now I will show the result of mod 16 counter of R to R digital to analog converter. So this is your clock pulse. So when you give the clock pulse, according to this clock pulse, there is some variation in the output signal. So here I consider this is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So when I give the first clock pulse, see, so when I give the first clock pulse, so this Q0 is equal to 1. This Q0 is equal to 1 signal flows through the base terminal of the transistor. Then after that it goes through the emitter. So at the emitter D0 is equal to 1. So that D0 is equal to 1 is your binary input, and that binary input we are giving to the negative terminal of the operational amplifier, and from the op-amp output we are getting analog output signal through the multimeter. Okay, so now we are getting minus 2.36 volt. Okay, this is according to the first clock pulse. So next, if I give another clock pulse, second clock pulse, so now Q0 becomes 0, Q1 is equal to 1, Q2 and Q3 both are equal to 0. So at that time the output is 1.42 something. If I give another clock pulse, so it becomes Q0, Q0 and Q1 both are 1 1, then Q2, Q3 are 0 0. It means we are giving the binary input is 3. So for binary input 3, so we are getting 2.5, 2.7 or 8 something output voltage.